Top 7 Pregnancy Essay Topics. Legal response to substance abuse during pregnancy. As you may know, substance abuse during pregnancy leads to severe consequences for the child. As a result, there has been a debate on whether pregnant women should be legally punished for substance use. What's your opinion on this issue? What is the best way to balance maternal rights and fetal well-being? If you think a legal response is appropriate, what principles should guide it? Risks of drinking alcohol during pregnancy. You can write an essay investigating potential risks and consequences associated with alcohol consumption during pregnancy. Some detrimental effects include stillbirth, miscarriage, prematurity, and fetal alcohol spectrum disorders. How can we mitigate these risks? Consider the effectiveness of public health campaigns and policies raising awareness about the dangers of alcohol use during pregnancy. Correlation between multiple pregnancies and postpartum depression or psychosis. Multiple pregnancies are those with more than one fetus, for example, twins and triplets. In your essay, you can examine how these pregnancies are linked to postpartum depression or psychosis. What psychological and physiological factors can contribute to these issues in multiple pregnancies? You can also discuss how to identify and treat these conditions in new mothers of twins. Sex education and early pregnancies. Here, your task is to analyze the role of sex education programs in preventing teenage pregnancies. Consider the effectiveness of abstinence-only and comprehensive sex education. Which is more effective in reducing early pregnancy rates? You can also analyze societal and cultural barriers to implementing sex education in schools. How can they be overcome? Nutrition during pregnancy and lactation. Adequate nutrition is vital to pregnancy and lactation. You can write a paper exploring this topic in detail. For example, consider what specific nutrients are essential and how they support a child's healthy development. What barriers can pregnant women face in accessing healthy nutrition? What interventions and policies can help overcome them? Pregnancy termination in the Down syndrome case. For this topic, you can explore the ethical dilemmas surrounding pregnancy termination in cases of Down syndrome diagnosis. How do the right to choose and the right to live apply to this situation? Further, you can explore legal frameworks restricting pregnancy termination, especially in cases of fetal abnormalities. What consequences can they have for children diagnosed with Down syndrome, their parents, and society? Teen pregnancy can lead to suicide and poverty. You can write an argumentative essay proving that teen pregnancy can lead to suicide and poverty. Be sure to support your argument with statistics and research findings. You can also explain why this causal relationship takes place. For example, consider the contribution of factors like substance use, interpersonal violence, mental health conditions, and low educational attainment.